Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to show you how to make a corned beef brisket. Let's get started. Alright, now we got that brisket out of the brine. We've rinsed it off. We've patted it dry. Now we're going to add some dry rub. We have the pickling spice mix that we had added to the brine. We're going to sprinkle that on there. We're going to give it a rub in there. Make sure that we get the even coating on there. We're going to do the same on the other side. Making sure that we're getting that pickling spice mixed, blended into that meat nice and evenly. So we get that flavor all around. Alright, now we're going to sear this up and get it ready for the next step. Alright, now we're going to turn on our heat. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of peanut oil. Let that oil come up to temperature. Alright, we got that heated up to temperature. Gonna take our meat, fat side down first. We're gonna give it a nice little sear on the bottom. Add these spices in there. Alright, now we're gonna flip it over. Here the other side. We're gonna make sure we get the sides as well. This will help to lock those flavors into that meat and keep the juices inside while it's cooking. Alright, so we're going to take that out, we're going to set it aside. Now we're going to sweat down our onions. We're going to sweat those down until they just start to brown a little bit, and then we're ready for the next step. Alright, we got those onions nice and caramelized now. We're going to add about 4 cups of water. Give that a little bit of a stir around. Now we're going to go ahead and turn off the heat and get ready for the next step. Alright, now we're going to take our brisket, we're going to put it in the pot. Make sure we get all them juices in there with it. Then we're going to add our 4 cups of water and onion mix. Now we're going to go put this on for about 7 hours. Then we're going to add carrots, potatoes, and cabbage and let it go for another hour. And then it'll be ready to serve. Alright, now this has been going for about 8 hours. We're ready to open it up. We're going to take out the veggies. Got our cabbage. We got our meat. And we got our carrots and potatoes. Let's go ahead and cut that open, get a look on the inside. Doesn't that look beautiful? And there you have it, corned beef brisket made from scratch. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.